You took forever. You took forever.
No. I went to go get food and then I ate the food.
Yes, you took forever.
No.
Yes, you did. Okay, everyone. Okay, stream. Here we go. First pack opening. Cool. What is this? A charm. 2 out of 10. Next pack. Okay. 0 out of 10 pack. Oh. A pose. Are you serious?
No, it's a great pose.
That was stupid. Okay. Next pack. Okay. 0 out of 10. And next one. Did I not just get this? 0 out of 10 pack.
They look smart.
Two voice lines. 0 out of 10 pack. Here we go. Heirloom. Purple. Crafting material. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what? That's not the worst thing that we've gotten today. 3 out of 10. Whoa!
Nice.
Okay. Okay. Really great. Too bad I don't use the rampage. Maybe I'll start. 5 out of 10. Next pack. Oh, more crafting materials. 15 left. Here we go. Okay. Okay. 0 out of 10. Yep. Okay. 1 out of 10. No. This can't happen. I have to get the heirloom. Okay, let's listen to intro quip. Okay. 0 out of 10. Oh. Be cool. That's cool. I don't have Loba, but that's cool. And this is kind of, that's kind of cool. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 pack. Not bad. Okay. 2 blues. That's fun. 3 out of 10. No, 2. 2 out of 10. Okay. 1 out of 10. Purple. Okay. That could be worse. 3.5 out of 10. 3.5. 7 left. Everybody take a breath. Okay. The breath worked. Another frame. Alright. 4 ballistic. Oh, that's cool. That's good. I just bought ballistic. Cool. 7 out of 10. That's alright. We have plenty of packs left. 2 purples. Whoa. Alright. 4 left. 4 left. Guarantee heirloom. Okay. The next one. Which one? Prestige. This is not the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. 2 left, everyone. I feel it. Oh, I feel it. Not that one. I meant the next one.
You might want to apply some balm to that. The stinkier the better.
The stink. Oh my god. This girl is freaky. The stinkier the better.
Is that what she said?
I think. Oh my gosh. Everyone, it's the last pack. I can't believe I'm getting an heirloom right now. 0 out of 10. Overall rating for the pack opening 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10.